Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Designer and we're going to show you step by step on how to create a single ladder on its own to be placed in any scaffold. Let's get started. To create a single ladder on its own, what we need to do is just drag on a bay and then add as ladder to it. The scenario being is obviously the ladder in the software goes upwards to get onto your next lift, but the scenario is on this one is what happens if you're going downwards. So if it's a hanging scaffold or anything like that and you're having a ladder that drops down into a tank. So simply what we do is make sure the bay is highlighted, add the ladder that you want to add. So this one I'm just going to keep it as it is. I've got a hook on ladder. I'm going to have it on the right hand side, on the left hand side angle of the bay. Keep everything else as normal. I don't need to worry about anything. Click apply, click OK. All I need to do after that is, as you can see, I've got my ladder perfectly in position. Click back on my bay, into bay details, and I'm going to go into sides, strip everything out, verticals, strip everything out. Click apply. Then all I need to do is turn off my decks. Okay, into my model view, and now you can see I've got a ladder on its own. Okay, now if I need to make the ladder bigger, all I need to do is click on it, and then I'm going to use this part here. I'm going to make it 11. Click OK. And there you go, I've got a really big ladder now. Now to connect it to your bay, very simple, or to lower it or higher it, however you're going to use this ladder. I'm going to click on the bay again, and then let me pull a bay in for a scenario. Now I'm just going to leave it there. For this one, I'm going to make me opening what I need for my ladder access. So I'm going to do exactly the same again. I'm going to go into ladder, I'm going to keep everything as it is, exactly the same as what my ladder was originally. Click apply, click OK. Now, as you can see in this one, I've got my ladder there how I had it originally. So back into here, I'm going to click into my ladders, and then I'm going to remove the ladder. So I need to skip it, click apply, click OK, and that'll leave my ladder, should leave my ladder missing. That's it. So what I need to do now is in this bay, I'm going to turn off the decks, and then I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to put it into position, and then I'm going to drop it down. So I can either use the base nodes to drop it down, or I can go into general and then my ground elevation. So I'm going to drop it, say a -2 meters. Click in a different box, click apply, click OK, then into my model view. Let's take a look, and there you go. I've created a single ladder to be able to drop down to wherever I need it. Sole pads are in my way. I can go into sole pads, into verticals, so into me B&R. I'm going to rotate, and I'm going to say 90 degrees. Click apply. Let's go into model view. There you go. My ladder goes straight by my base jack now. Misses my sole pad. And there you go. And in your bill of materials, you'll see your hook on ladder. I've got one at 2 meters, and I've got one at 3 meters as well. Hope this helps. And if you did like this video, please like and subscribe for more to come.